There are so many video editing softwares out there, from Final Cut Pro to DaVinci Resolve to Premiere Pro and even other small third-party apps. But I have searched on YouTube for Filmora's video editing software tutorials and there isn't a huge variety. I had to learn video editing from scratch, like cutting and editing clips to making smooth and swift transitions to even playing with sound effects. And as a result, it took me 2 years, dozens of video tutorials, and a whole lot of mistakes to understand the secret to professional video editing. But if you're someone who wants to kickstart their journey in video editing using Filmora software, then you're in the right place. Because I will be creating a Filmora 13 video editing tutorial course just for you guys. This course consists of video-based tutorials on Filmora 13 software, starting from how to actually download Filmora onto your laptop or desktop to actually creating the most high-quality videos for social media. If you're someone who's hyped about this course and wants to learn video editing to its peak, then please go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and make sure to share this video with someone who wants to learn video editing. But anyway, that's all from me. Peace.